Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. A physical stock check is a process of verifying the actual physical quantity of an item in a warehouse against the recorded inventory. So, to perform a physical stock check in a warehouse, you can follow these 5 steps. First, plan the stock check. Determine the scope of the stock check, such as which items and area of the warehouse will be included. Set the date and time for the stock check and make sure that all necessary resources, such as personnel and equipment, are available. Number 2, prepare the stock check. Make sure that the warehouse is clean and organized, as this will make it easier to locate and count items. If necessary, make sure that all items are properly labeled and that there is a system in place for identifying and tracking items. Number 3, conduct the stock check. Have a team of people physically count the item in the warehouse, comparing the physical count to the recorded inventory. Make sure to record any discrepancies and investigate the cause of any differences. Number 4, review and update inventory record. After the stock check is complete, review the result and update the inventory to reflect the correct quantities of items. If necessary, take actions to resolve any discrepancies that were identified during the stock check. Number 5, documents the stock check. It is important to document the stock check, including the result and any actions taken. This will help you to ensure that inventory is accurate and up to date, and will provide a record of the stock check for your future reference. That's all for my sharing in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. Have a great day, and I see you in the next video.